Hi, I am back. So let's start with Apo.
เจมินายเนี่ยร้องเพลงคือเอาจริงคือรู้ว่าร้องเพลงได้ร้องเพลงเก่ง แต่ไม่คิดว่าจะขนาดนี้เพราะมากหลายเพลงก็นั่งถ่ายทิกตอกดูอยู่เหมือนกัน แล้วก็โหสุดยอดเพอร์ฟอร์แมนซ์เต้นดีมาก แล้วก็ฮิตมีอัพเจมินายคุณทำได้ดีมากครับ
แล้วพี่ชอบชื่อไหน
บูมจำชื่อเพลงไม่ได้อะแต่เป็น
มันร้องยังไง มันร้องกันยังไง
มันโหน
อ๋อ
รู้แล้วจำได้แล้ว
ที่หมุนตัวแบบโอ้โหแบบเอาจริงดิเอาอย่างนี้เลยเหรอคือแบบเวอร์มากนะรอดูนี่กรี๊ดนะ
แล้วชอบโชว์ไหนเป็นพิเศษคะน้อง
จริงโชว์ที่ชอบถ้าว้าวเลยแรกเลยนี่เป็นโชว์ของโฟนนะผมเองที่เป็นปีนเชือก
อ๋อ
ตอนนั้นนะผมรู้สึกแบบเฮ้ยมันแบบคือเขายังไม่ได้ติดตั้งสลิงเลยเขามาปีนขึ้นมาเลยผมก็อย่างเงี้ยมันแบบมันต้องใช้แรงเยอะมาก
Okay, now we come to the actual stuff, and I'm so excited for this. So the very first, their manager, their artist manager, which is P Earn. And dancing. He almost danced to every song no matter who was playing it. This is what I'm adding. He practiced dancing everywhere, almost every day, even in the break room, shaking the frowns from upstairs with his dancing. But everyone was impressed. But what impressed me the most was his raw performance. Again, like this is one thing I think people will be talking about till the next concert. When I saw the clip of him learning it for the first time, I was like, what are you doing? He just practiced it 10 times and starting it today to show everyone. So, you're amazing. I'll call you the number one energy-filled boy. But for this concert, I think the phrase that she said the most was, fourth, do you want to eat? Fourth, do you want this? Fourth, do you want that? Like, she was so caring. She was like, these boys are not eating, they are just practicing. What do they need? They need to be taken care of. Jem is pushing himself. She was doing so much. Thank you so much, Ann. Like we could not be there, so we're glad that they are surrounded by people that can take care of them. In any case, I'm proud of you both. Keep developing yourself. Be a little less stubborn. No. And I won't have to scold you so much with my hands on my hips. So this is kind of a pause. How do I show you? Like, I'll put a picture up here. I'll try to find a picture. Let's move forward and continue working together. And she has put the hashtag of Run the World concert. It wouldn't be complete without each and every one of you, from the team in front to the team behind the wardrobe, hair, makeup. Thank you all so much. And I feel like this is also on behalf of Gemini 4th, what they are saying, because they always compliment the staff, they always say these things. And in fact, Gemini commented on this post and actually said that I won't be so stubborn, something like that. I'll put up a picture again here of what he said. So now we come to the actual shipper. So if you know the makeup artist Pitong, he does makeup for Gemini and 4th. He's been impressed with boys a lot. Like, he was so impressed with them, and I so love him for that. And this is what he had to say. So he did 3 posts, one for Gemini, one for 4th, and then one for overall thing. So let's just see what he had to say. I'm so happy the boys are surrounded by these lovely people. So first of all, we are starting with 4th. He is so cute. So this is what Pitong has to say. Starting with for 4th or 4th, we are so proud of you, Khab. These past 2 days have been really tiring, running back and forth between 2 sides. One person going down, another coming up, changing looks, helping you with many things, applying makeup, removing makeup, putting this, taking that out. What's the next song? What are we going to do? Which side you have to be on? Screaming from behind, reapplying, touching up. So everyone was enjoying the concert, but I can totally see the team behind being in chaos, running here and there, being like, okay, what's going on? Everything is live, okay. As for the outfits, Pinu, P-Fin, Pin Som, Pin Chompu, and many more, everyone helped together all at once. And he's calling the manager Pion, Grandma. Grandma was running around preparing food for the little one, keeping it warm, reheating it when it's cold, trying them to just eat a little bit at least. For a 19-year-old boy reaching 20. Honestly, I would keep saying this. It's a bit awkward to say it face to face, but I'm very proud of you. So he wants to say it every day, but obviously you cannot just have interactions every day and say, wow, I'm really proud of you every time. And you should be very proud of yourself too. Keep pushing forward with all the hard work. Fight on. And this last photo is the real one. This is the next thing that he shared. I believe it's for Gemini. Okay, no, I think it's off together and then we have Gemini. Okay. I'm glad he did so many posts because he is very close to the boys. I am not kidding when I say he is very close to the boy, and we have a lot to cover. We do have a lot to cover because he is actually, like, you can write a whole post, a whole article from what he has written. So yeah, let's do it. Let's see the photos that so cute. I know at every picture I'm saying that these are perfect, but they are. And this is what he has to say. Please pay attention to this. I love this person to the core. Please, let's celebrate them. As a makeup artist, I'd like to leave a little note behind for the future. It might be a bit long and stale for me to write something like this. I apologize in advance. You don't have to, honey, we are here for you. Now let's get into the main event. Gemini Force is a pair of amazing kids with their own charm and impression, and easily wins people over when they meet for the first time with their cuteness and friendly demeanor. They're also multi-talented, singing, dancing, playing music, and have discipline in the tasks they are given. Though they can be a bit stubborn sometimes, but aren't all 20 years old stubborn due to the age and the sleepiness. The natural charm has been with them since birth. You can't really teach this kind of thing, right? I first got to know them when the series My Boyfriend, the Student Council President was new. I think they're talking about My School President. It's edited by ChatGPT, so there will be some mistakes. I had the chance to watch them perform for the first time, and I have to admit, I don't know them. I didn't knew them before. Like, who are they? But after watching, I really liked them. It was like seeing a mother bear, no joke. So he felt very motherly feelings toward them. Like they had to protect them. They are so nice. They are so sweet. You know, when you see someone innocent and you are like, I have seen the world and I need to protect them. It was that kind of feeling. Nunweb secretly filmed a video of me watching the series and smiling and sent it to them, saying someone liked them. I was so embarrassed and they thanked me. After that, just a few days later, I got a chance to do their makeup thanks to Nunweb setting it up. The first job at a movie event in Bangkok. I think it would be Bangkok. I clearly remember thinking, wow, they are so young. When I asked their age and chatted with them a bit, I quickly realized that they are extraordinary. They have something special. And honestly, although I haven't met them, everything I've seen, they are truly extraordinary. Like, if you think about it, they are singing, they are dancing. Okay, cool. They are acting, nice. They are modeling, very good. They are also playing instruments. They are doing multiple things. And I think the person who I can think of who is trying to do everything as well, one of them would be Puvin. So if you don't know, Puvin is also singing, dancing. He also, I think, knows how to play his instrument. I know, I've seen him online, obviously. And his new song is also coming up. He's joining Riser Music. And yeah, like he does acting, he does modeling. He's with Low Official, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, he's great. I didn't actually know that Puvin also sang a lot. But once I researched his profile, I actually found so many acoustic versions of the song. More than I found on Gemini and Forth's profile. And I was like, damn, this boy is great. Then Alisa and Pion started taking care of them. We got to meet them more often, doing makeup, feeding them, and here we are today. I want to say that they're true partners, supporting and helping each other to make it work. They both are willing to compromise and make up with each other, which is very sweet, and I love that for them. Even though in the mornings when they're tired and low of energy, I might trick them into hugging. Please share with us. Please share with us. I completely respect their privacy, and if they're okay with this, please share with us. There are so many photos, I can't steal them all from X. The amazing mom photographers took such great photos. So if you don't know, if you are also new like me, I didn't know first. People call the shippers, the girls who are doing it, Y girls or mommies. So this is what he's referring to, that so many moms and so many people who love them took photos and they were very great. So yeah, and let's go. And one thing I noticed before we get into what he said about Gemini is that for Forth it looked like, yes, it was all his pictures, the face was clear, everything was clear. You could say the makeup and everything. For Gemini it was the same. For Forth he used his single Alright. For Gemini, he used his single Someone Like Me. And for the couple photos, there was nothing he was focusing on. It was just the boys, the chemistry they have, and I love it for them. So, this is what he had to say for Gemini. Just a second. Arriving a little later, oops, little Gemini. Why so many names? Little kid, giant kid, miraculous. It definitely feels like he is this kid. No matter what perfume he uses, every morning we play a guessing game about which perfume you have sprayed today. You must really love it and enjoy guessing which one we used. Which one little one used? Are they? Okay, wait. I think they are talking about, they guess what the perfume fourth wore, or they are guessing what perfume Gemini wore. Anyway, I'm inclined. Okay, let's go. But every scent has a hint of baby powder in it. It feels like whatever you spray, it has baby powder smell mixed in. But there's also a kindergarten powder scent in it. You are adorable, you are kind-hearted, you also ask and check on others. You are overflowing with positivity even when you are not sleepy. He sleeps a lot, so... You say whatever you're thinking, no complexity. I love the skinship, touching, hugging all the time, like a child who has grown up with his mother, kissing them every day. There's so much about you. I can surprise you every day. You play a lot of music, sing well, dance, speak multiple languages. Even though you like to make jokes all the time, you're also a great performer. I am amazed. Like, you are the whole package. And honestly, he's the whole package. Okay, let me continue. I lost where I am. Just a second. I taught you a love language within 2 weeks and you spoke it like a native. I was stunned. Grandma Earn, Alisa Earn, even said that, what did you use to teach my child? In short, you are incredibly skilled. The concert over the past 2 days have shown how amazing you are. You hurt your feet like the other day and constantly had your ankle wrapped. And who knew that you had leg pain? Not many people knew he had leg pain. He was hiding it. But still you managed to do it until the end. You are amazing, and so you're amazing. Be proud of yourself. Backstage you always worry if you did well, if it's okay, it was good enough. Be proud of yourself. Like, right. You don't have to, Gemini, if you are hearing this. You are not, I know. But still, please give yourself credit. Please give yourself credit. Where I was. You like to be anxious on your own, but hey, it was really good. Who else could do that? 4 or 5 hours holding on to you two, crazy for a 19-20-year-old boy. Like, they were holding fans for 4 or 5 hours. I was watching the concert at home and even I didn't know when the 4 hours went by. I was enjoying so much. I was editing their moments. I was doing so many things. It didn't feel like a long time has passed, and that's very difficult. Finally, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you for everything that brought us together. I'll keep doing your makeup until we're old if we can manage to handle it. Let's go tackle some work together everywhere we can if possible. Love you, my chubby Molly. That's why I said he's my favorite one. I really love him. I really love him. I love him to the core. So now we have Mix. Mix is a dancer and they are pretty much all together. I think he's part of officially GMMTV also. I'm not sure. I wish we could know more about the team. I really like the team, yeah. I wish there was a show where we could know about the behind the scenes, the team and everyone, not just the stars. So these are the pictures that he shared. These hair clips. situationship. And this is what he had to say. And I'm so happy I'm getting to share this with you all. Gemini, from the first day I got the idea and saw what you wanted to do for the concert, I've been excitedly waiting. You voiced everything you wanted to do, which made our work so much easier. You've grown up so much and there are still many things you need to grow into. I'm so glad to have been there with you from the first concert. So he was part of the first concert as well. I think the name was My Turn, Gemini 4th My Turn concert. And I will continue to support you, always dancing, playing with you. You are the best. This is so cute. To 4th, my energetic kid, I have been with you every song I've worked on, dancing every style. Even though Havana was super challenging, you gave it your all and practiced before the show. So Havana was a very sexy performance, and actually there is a very thin line between sexy and creepy, and you can go into either one of them, like switch it like that. And he performed it very well. Everyone was snooing over him. You've also grown so much and so much better. You keep sharing ideas and telling me what you want to do, and everything you want to do makes you very tired. They keep challenging themselves and then they will get tired, and it's understandable, but then take care of yourself, please. And everything, even though you're naughty and mischievous every day, I still love you. A bit naughty, mischievous and stubborn, but you are both just 19-20-year-olds. You held a concert together for almost 5 hours a day, bringing positive energy to the team, the dancers and everyone. You did so well and warmly. I hope from now on you don't get leg pain anymore. Fingers crossed. I think 4th had knee pain, Gem had ankle pain, so he just said, please no more leg situations. Not appreciated. He shared another post, so I will tell you what he said in that also. Okay, so this is what he said. So exhausted but had so much fun and happiness. There were so many stories and challenges to get to the destination, but everyone fought so hard, truly amazing. Thanks to Grandma for the opportunity and always giving the best advice. I'll keep improving myself and the best support team, both physically and mentally. So he's talking about his team that he has. Geman 4th, you did so well. Thank you for sharing your ideas with me and discussing everything you wanted to do and didn't want to do. So I'm actually glad they were setting that boundary. Ki, okay, we'll do this, we won't do that, and what all. Everyone worked so easily with you too. You've grown a lot and will continue to grow. Don't be stubborn and mischievous. Okay, I'm getting old. I know you all are saying that they are stubborn and not to do that, this and that, but I know you love them. So I'll give you a pass on that. Choreography was top notch, everyone. You're amazing. I had so much respect for you. I'm always happy to work with you. Every show was beautiful and great. And he's tagging the people relevant to the team. Love you. To the core dancers, Geman 4th. I'm proud and happy. You both improved a lot. Everything was perfectly timed. Thank you for taking care of the younger ones. I really appreciate it. You both are amazing. In-house artists, the 4 girls, which is Tu, Prim, Synthesy and Prem, you were absolutely great, like a million chick. It is actually a Thai expression that means they were very impressive. And ChatGPT, thank you for providing me this. So much dancing because Fort wanted the girls to dance. He's so cute. But everything was perfect. I'm proud. The performance was touching, like watching my kid perform at a school event. Hope we get to work together again. Out of the house outers, that was Bus. Thank you so much for you worked very hard, always asking questions and being very sweet. No wonder fans love you so much. Thank you for dancing to the core points for 4th. Hope you get to work together again. To the 32 lovely dancers, you all were fun in their rehearsals. You helped boost morale and make rehearsals very enjoyable, even though I know you were tired. I think everyone was tired, but everyone was like happy to do it as well, which is how many things should be. You helped boost morale and make rehearsals enjoyable, even though I know you were very tired. Thank you to everyone for being dedicated and not getting upset when things needed fixing. Thank you so much. And he's also sorry because he cannot tag everyone. And another event completed after a week, ready to continue this long-term thing we have. And it's so good. And this is what P-Off had to say. So I'll just share that also. It's so good sharing this with you because this is the first time I'm also reading these. Okay, let's check it out. So P-Off was the one who helped them with the play and everything. So yes. He's there making me blush. Okay, what are they doing here? Hugging? I'm a stripper, alright. They look so good together. Okay, so this is what he had to say. Happy to be involved with the I'm so sorry. Happy to be involved in the stage play this time, even though it's been almost 20 years since I last participated in stage plays. Do have a charm and energy that always draws us back to enjoy them. Thanks to Mark, Satang, Chong, Pun, Aupang, Neeti for joining in on the fun. Everyone did great, especially Gemini and Fourth. I watched it with pride throughout nearly 5-hour concert. I'm proud of both of you. The dedication and efforts you put in, I believe the audience truly felt it. I just want to say that you both did an amazing job. And if there's a good opportunity, I hope we get to meet again. And after this, actually, he also mentioned on Twitter that he's working on something exciting after a long time. And when Fourth and Gemini were in New York, and Fourth was coming back, in one of the posts, P-Off also said that come back, I miss you. And the whole Twitter for the whole week, the week that they were gone, was filled with heart liming. Is the spin-off coming? I hope the spin-off is coming. I truly hope the spin-off is coming. This is so nice. After reading so many reviews, after reading so much from the team, getting to know Gemini Fourth, getting to know how stubborn they are now, they won't eat, to how Gemini always plays games with everyone, to knowing that everyone, literally everyone could not stop talking about the Fourth performance of With the Ropes. Oh my god. But it was so heartfelt. If you want to follow anyone, please follow them. They are doing great. They have made this concert possible. Yeah, I'll see you soon.